across the city of Ekurhuleni and beyond our shores. Welcome aboard. Asikubingelele sikwamukele igama lami ubonga ukhethiwe Mthembu. And of course, this is Lokshin FM alongside ke local TV Snow Chairman. Sizoxoxa nje kabanzi. Just you must talk us through asitshela ukuthi ke what can we expect? Is everything well? Yonke itambe kahle mqeqeshi. I know you've been busy having sleepless nights ungalali. Namhlanje final. I'm sure ukuthi uzolala ubuthongo. What can we expect osuku namhlanje?
Today expect ukuthi maybe sibe a new champion. Remember what in the past 6 to 7 years there's only 3 teams dominating. Officially we Ruby, Aston Villa, we Zone 3. But I think abafana laba beMusa United njengoba sele final. Angithi ngiyabafavor but ngendlela esiqhubeka ngayo for development. I saw them potential. I think they can win this game. That's why I need to see a new champion whereby people can see that it's not about only those 3 teams. It's all about any team that can perform. They can go through to the final and win the final.
Now to the teams mhlambe somewhere along the line abaye kube mhlambe nenkinga yana we saw ukuthi izolo kwenzakaleni. Your take on that and moving forward isenza kanjani? What can we do as media nathi to say aqhale phansi uxoxisane ukuhlala ku right ngaso ngesikhathi for play?
As you can see, remember when you do an event, you hire people obathemba will work up to the finish. We know nama women era magemini whereby end up is the tournament whereby as a committee we have to stand and no, we can't tolerate any game which are looking at let's follow the rules of football. We know there's only 16 minutes remaining yesterday game, but we need to come to a solution whereby we have to involve both teams and confirm which is according to our rules. We saw which game was we have to stop going forward. We decided that this team that they were leading to will go through to the final. Remember, those challenges come each and every game. If you can look at the standards and say those other teams, they were young boys beating the older boys. So the big teams, remember, one other tension which can jam. That's not why even the support they from outside they decided to get up. But after suspending would win also managed to see what even if the game had ended. But as a decision we take a stand with no, it's a final result. It was truly we can't replay the game. But going forward, we saw that in the future looking at maybe to involve officials from outside the province, because remember if we lose our band from your area, about the edge in your area, sometimes favoritism will be called. Then I'm a mistake about calling because she pressure from local teams.
Now, the challenge it is Lokshin FM alongside local TV and of course khona Honorable Mahlobo, Honorable Mufukeng and of course Sports by Unhlanhla Mahlobo. Lalela ke Mtaskaya silana ke ground in Somhlola and as you all know ukuthi namhlanje final ke it's a big game Ruby FC against Musa United. So with us sino coach la sizoxoxa naye kabanzi asitshele nje ukuthi what is in store for us mhlawumbe into esingayibhekelela ikakhulukazi kule game kule team ke Ruby FC ngoba sibonile ukuthi izolo idlale ngamnandi ngendlela esimanga. Hey coach, sharp is it?
Ngiyaphila Mthembu baba wena.
Angisharp mfethu. iRuby FC singabhekelana ke namhlanje. What is it that we expect or can we expect egamini namhlanje?
Ruby FC people can expect the same thing.
Sure.
We don't change our style of play. We always give people what they always expect from us, which is Ikasi football.
Yeah.
But we also at the end of the day we must get the results.
Awesome. Now the format nidlala yipi format kahle kahle maningenile nina as iRuby FC?
We play around with the format. The format is not really important. What's important is the players that we have on the day.
Sure.
So, but for today, we will go with 4-3-3.
Sure.
That means we go all out, we go for attack because today's game is going to be an open game. These boys, they run it. They run a lot, so we're gonna give them the same thing. Now we're not gonna hold back because this is the last game of the day, so there's no another game. So we go all out from the first minute of the game.
Don't you think ukuthi mhlambi imvula ingana affect somehow along the line makuloko kudlala because we see ukuthi it's gonna rain the way kungakhona?
Imvula into ehlala ikhona Mthaka baba.
Sure.
We have played under those conditions. Imvula, weather won't affect us at any way.
Yeah. Now mhlambe ke kwamanye wama players othi wena strong ke ku Ruby FC obani ke mhlambe esingathi njengoba kugcwele kangaka abantu bazele bona like.
What's nice about the Ruby FC, I'm a player wakona yalingana. It's the same quality. You take out this one, you put this one is the same. You get the same thing. So from 16, our goalkeeper up until to the last man, our front line, Upule is the same quality.
Yeah.
So I won't single out single players to say we are expecting this much from this player. We expect the same thing from anyone.
Yeah.
Even those, or even on the same from the players who are sitting on the bench, even those who won't even participate in the game. It's the same thing.
Sure. Right, Mtazika, without any further ado, we'll take a break. Ngaloko masibuye bese siyaxoxa sizwe ukuthi ama prize ahamba kanjani. Let's just get in the field sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani and have a chit chat ke ne team ke esibiza ukuthi ke iMusa United. Lokshin FM, Local TV sisonke. All across the city of Ekurhuleni and beyond our shows, as you could see, Mtasikaya, sise Somhlolo ground, Ruby FC against Musa United, ama finals game Mtasikaya. So as ukuzwa, ikakhulukazi ke umuntu okhulumayo ke uchairman uNathi wakazwane, so he's telling us ukuthi kwenzakaleni izolo. So stick around, kusazoba mnandi kube nje ya. We are told ukuthi ngapha ku Musa United ukhona umbhoro, khona abo 16 ngale ku Ruby FC, kukhona nje ama player ahlukahlukile, and of course usungakhohle ukuthi Lokshin FM local TV sisonke ngasonke isikhathi. Get in touch with us uthi ke www.lokshin-fm.co.za www.lokshin-fm.co.za. A bit later on sobe sikutshela ukuthi ikakhulukazi local TV uyithola kanjani ku background, ikakhulukazi nje uzobe sowubona abadlali ke bangena sizoba national anthem ngaloko masiqeda we'll have a chit chat nabaphathi bomsakazo. Uzungakhohle ukuthi we are also giving away ama airtime as Lokshin FM ukuze ukhona ukuthi nawe uziwinele i-airtime uza egroundini uzozizwela ukuthi kwenzakalani. So we hoping ukuthi wonke umuntu la kuzoba ne-flip kube mnandi kube nje yayi. Number yethu WhatsApp is 064-410-3387 064-410-3387. Ngaloko kusazoba mnandi kube nje ya. So we just hoping ukuthi bazongena abafethu kube mnandi kube nje ya. Lokshin FM, your future, your station.
Seqalile uSmile yanikela silinda ubaba umshonishwa lapha shemen sekuqondile silindile lapha national isilindeyo
As you know, ako barano say solitio. Welcome to Local TV. Local is lekker, local is nga. What's it? Always go to the update. Temnati. Not some manga sharp. Come on, game na butu. Come on, tabak jota. But I feel like more about the views about game and today. Kiri final. Takasi so kalati. Wamuna kasi. Kasi sa talent sa hon. I wish Lord mo lape mo shebe let's take. If una do connection, keep on about for to but sa talent sa bona one so try by all means to connect about for to but Kennedy show. By you can do that. You talk my brother mo to just the views sa high. Ki bata fak legal bisola anjota na abuti ki mang abutu tswakai. Then rekena tabe. My brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm super. Thank you very much for coming through, my brother. Nkana nje usho ikama lakho usho ukuthi uvuya phi butu wami then oboso uyangitshela butu wami ukuthi what do you think about igame namhlanje?
Okay, hayi igama lami nangusifiso mina ngihlala eRamkasi vele la lokhu eWest vele. So yazini mfethu 21 ama game la eKasi mfethu ayashisa. Ayashisa kumnandi yenza ukuthi uDecember wethu su enjoy kamnandi since vele aqalile since nami ngila eKasi so kumnandi nje yabona nale game namhlanje ifanya namhlanje ngifuna ukuyibheka vele kahle kahle ukuthi ubani ozowina
aje sicala la my brother ne wona favor iphi team
kahle kahle angeke ngisho ukuthi ngifavor iphi ngoba ezami sesiphumile kahle kahle but nje into engizoyisho ukuthi isupport nanokuthi yabona into le ifaka ivibe eKasi eKasi kumnandi kubheka kunjani nje ngamanje kumnandi sichilile kumnandi siyabonga nokuthi upresident akazange avale indaba zabo bo-COVID watwada ama curfew watwa simnandi kumnandi mfethu sibheke yonke into yabona kumnandi sipholile siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
So according to your views my brother you can see abobuthi bayadlala like kuthaphi so kuphuma ama skills yonke into ikhona. According to your point of view, what do you think about igame namhlanje? According to the way obona izinto ngakhona yiphi ezowina yiphi lekhayo what is it that they can fix according to your point of view?
Okay, yazi to be honest my brother ne mina I can say ukuthi uMamropi uyayithatha.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngisengiyasho nje noma ngasithi miyami but engiyasho ukuthi the way ngibona ngakhona dlala ngakhona igame uMamropi ama chances ukuthi ayithathe le game abhayi. Yeah, like the way aba attacker ngakhona the way aba defender ngakhona like bana that thing ukuthi manje yazini guys we can win this so I have that spirit ukuthi bona le game le bangayiwina le final so I believe ukuthi Mamropi angayithatha le game noma ngasithi miyama angisumamropi but ngiyabelieve ukuthi yazini una all the like ama engel ukuthi le game angayithatha just nje ukuthi nje I wish ukuthi second half ayibambe the way ayibambe khona ngasekike nge-first half le game angayiwina.
I believe there is someone who's bukela lapha emakhaya who would love to be on TV also, who would love to play like Amajita like Grounding. What can you say to that person or wish I would one day I wish I can play like lama player amanye ahlala like Grounding my king?
Okay, into engizoyisho i1 my brother ne. If ufuna ukudlala njengalamajita adlala eGrounding, guys yekelani utshwala. Yekelani ukumixa ama drugs ne game. Amajita amaningi like us akhawathekile ngendaba zani. Amixa utshwala aphinda mixe nani nebhola amaningi amajita ifuture yawo iphelile ngoba yini babulwa yini imbombi at least mina ngiyaphuza but angidlala ibhola kunamajita ebesewabhekile siwazi afamous siwazi ukuthi adlala igame but yini today awekho ngani abhizi ngama drugs abhizi ngani ngembombi ifuture ikhona guys so into engizoyisho leyo.
I thank you so much, my king, for your time. Thank you so much. When I say local TV, you say local is lekker, right? Local is lekker. When I say local TV, let's go. Local TV.
Local TV is lekker.
Local is lekker. Thank you so much, my king. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. As you can see, our players, they will have on half time. So now they're going back inside the ground. By the way, don't forget to subscribe on our TV channel, Local TV. Local TV. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Sikona. Local is lekker. Have a show.
Okay. Into isuke angazi ke bazosuka sesibuyile ine moya noma
sesingakabuyi uyabona ke ozoyigeja penalty uzoyigeja shaye lapha injalo ke lapha ke lento sizokwazi ukuthi hayike people section ke lapha ke ama penalty volume uthi ke lapha babiza usizo Tisibonele Linda ayishaphakathi lapha ke uLinda one more time not Ruben one more time not Ruben
ngicabanga ukwasha lento emhlephekayo kanjani
izosukuma ke manje ke iRuben uzwa lapha ke uGumbi uzwa lapha ke umfoka Gumbi kweze Ruby FC 1 Musa United not Ruben yes phela Gumbi uzwa njani wabambe dandi wambheka wasondela wawomapha wasondela angathi ayishaye na athi sibone Gumbi One Musa United, not Ruby FC. Yashaya lapha ngayibhala awukusamnani nikile ikhanda. Amastepa mathathu abamanga abafana. Waseyambheka Robinho Versace. Musa United. Pule. Sumisa lapha kaPule. Manje uzwayo. Uzolenza njani Pule? Hamile. Azibona ishayo. Ingathi-ke ucilo uyayifaka endleleni lapha kubafana balapha iMusa United sekuleke bashaya yesithathu iRuby ishaya amaphenalty amabili ewakhetha amabili asizwe wanele awusibona kaBaptista yiphenalty yesithathu yeMusa United awusibona Batista iRuby kufuneka iwapore omathathu namaphenalty izothatha ngophabo onke amathemba eRuby FC amele kuphabo amele kuphabo waqala ngathi ngezinto happy Lalela, akathusi lokho. Singaphela noma ngayini.
It's star. Yayibiza ke manje ngisibiza eyokugcina ke ithi 1328 ithi 5 ithi 85 ithi iqale phansi ithi star 130 ithi star 3621 ithi star ithi 3 ithi
Musa United the champions. Ayibafana ke ngithanda ukuthi ke ngenivume Khuzwayo nisebenzile Linda nisebenzile Mporo Jomo nisebenzile Patista Dogote madoda mango basebenzile ke labafana sondelani ma champions yinina ke manje kumele nithathe angazi ke basahlanganisa ingoma into ebengicabanga ukuthi bazoyihlanganisa izolo ebusuku ngabo 12 lem babeceda ke ukukhojwa kodwa ke manje ingoma bazofuna ukuthi bayihlanganise ke manje wozano zande champions nize nje ngengoma ngiyabezwa ke bayayivula angizwa kahle ukuthi ke lapha ke ithini ibona ke ama champion ke ehyper festive game ekuyibona ke abasebenze ke ngendlela sheshisani phela madoda nibe nivuma nibe nishesha sifuna ukushayisa la sifuna ukushayisa ke nathi yonke into ihambe kahle ngiyababona ke orama lapha sebaphendulela ngisheke amajezi ukuthi ke phela ya ngiyabeza bathi wemanana we kusho lapha ke ama champions hyper festive game ekuyibona ke abasebenzile angazi ke nizomdirector ngabe umuntu uqale athathe lapha noma uqala kwenzekale la ngibona namasco energy drink lezi tholakala la uthatha yile phambili energy drink la uthatha one pack All right. Wozana bafethu wozana. Ofuna ukugaqwa qala enakuza imedal. Ungasabi uba uqala ukuthola imedal ye-5 woza joinile yini izandleni champions lalela ke player ufike uthathe imedal mawuqeda uthathe i-energy drink yeah ngathi zero zobaninga bayaphinda laba nakumphilolo benza kanje siyabaza igolweni injalo ke congratulations nisebenzile kabafana injalo ke mawuqeda ke uyabuya uzomela la ungabe sekuthini uzolinda injalo ke lapha ke lento usebenzile lapha ke machine unqobile ke namuhla awu madoda Batista injalo ke lapha ke lento bayenzile ke lapha ke manje indaba ama champions Phuzi Energy bese niyasondela nizothatha ke icup la 2 million la liyasinda endlela bangalisayo injalo uma ngibheka abonezi abakakholwa ukuthi ngempela ke iyenzekile lento ogoalkeeper basebenzile ngempela okhuzwa befimba lapha ama penalty baseke bawunqoba ke manje nomdlalo aborama basebenzile ngempela sekuseduze abafana akalungu captain azibe iluma izandla uzophakamisa ke manje trophy okokuqala lapha ke angazi kayibhathulephi yashesha abafana ngazi ke manje uyishaya nje energy drink ngoba ulali vele awoyike ulala vele wena nakhuza wena Phoyolo bayithatha ke manje izophakanyiswa ke ngendlela zakhona uze khona ke wahamba kancane yaphela energy drink sesele aphelele babalile andlula ke manje okhuzwayo bayithatha ke manje ngempela bayithatha bengacatshanga umuntu sekufike leso sikhathi captain andavulele bafethu ngicela sibaphe ispace supporters cela nibaphe ispace bazophakamisa kahle asibapheni ispace abaflathele i-branding ngeke bavele abaflathele i-branding inkasi FM ayibengemuva kwenu yes nescore asibengemuva kwenu ihype ayivele well done boys nibuye ke nizoyidefenda mama champion amasha thathani ke ijo.
Alright, to Auction FM, your future, your station all across the city of Ekurhuleni and beyond our shores. Umsakazo wakho ke uhamba phambili ngendlela isimanga, a wall-oiled driven machine. Siso somhlolo ground like we said ukuthi ke the winner takes it all. Na kanjani yeah the winners sizokhuluma ke ne coach, sikhulume ke ne star player of the day bathu Batista. Ungangami wangikhumbuza mina ngisadlala ibhola ke. Nayi ke coach, coach shabuzethe mfana.
Ngiyaphila kunjani? Ugrand.
Yemfethu ucoach ongakanani ongangami mfethu. Why ucoach team iwina imali engaka?
Yeah, hayi thina asijoyinanga sithi sizowina besithi sokhulisa abantwana.
Yeah.
But abantwana is been a while since bana 16 years silokhu sibafaka kuma senior abaluza. Most of them sebana 19 20 this year. Yeah. So I think bokuyisikhathi sabo nabo bayafuna ukuziprove against ama well known teams, against abantu ababa favor yabo. Yeah. So bona baziprovile amasotshe engawathatha ngempini na.
Definitely. So where to from here as iMusa United in planeni 2022 mhlambe ke ithini director ye club sizonibona nini mhlambe ke kuma league athe kuba like boma Vodacom kanjalo njalo.
Musa United idlala i league LFA Eastern. thini aim yethu masizodlala ama-tournament ukuthi labafana abancane bathole exposure bathole ama-teams yabo from kuma-professional teams abanye kuma-MDC abanye sebanawo ama-team abanye baba-scoutile khona la sekunala kumele baye khona so imusa izoprepare from February ku-LFA but i-vision kakhulu ne-aim yethu ukuthi abafana bathole imisebenzi ma-professional teams.
Now in terms of making sure ukuthi kuba yi-academy, how far is the director with that?
I think le question leyo ifuna umusa kunezinye izinto aziplanayo yena mina ngicoach ku-organize team ihlangano so unama plans akhe wango 2022 ithe sizohlala phansi siwakhuluma.
Awesome. Batiza bathi ke hero ke namhlanje as always what happened igame yanamhlanje ubone kanjani mfana?
Hayi game yona ithe kuba nzimanyana mara sikhonile kuyi-manager besingafuni ukulahla ithawula nathi besiyifuna lento ngoba besesisemnyango besingeke sibayekele kanjalo basidle nathi besifuna ukulwa nabo that's why sikhonile ukuthi siwine namhlanje. Thanda ukubonga abasebenzi bami engisebenza nabo sisebenze kakhulu nyabo.
Mhlambe ke abobani nje just in few words nje ungababonga because I know ukuthi manidlala kune vision uyazi ukuthi mawulithatha lisuka kuwe liya kumbhoro liya kubani.
Thanda ukubonga ugoalkeeper ungisindise kakhulu namhlanje nama defender wami wasolid kakhulu abakhonanga uscora nathi phambili besizama ukuyokora bekungahlangani mara ngithanda ukubonga abasemuva ngokuthi bangaconcede namhlanje.
Now maba missed penalty yokuqala kutheni kuwe as hero yethu namhlanje le team
akungitshela ukuthi sengiwinile namhlanje ngokuthi ba missed penalty yokuqala
then ba missed futhi the other one
bese kubonakala indlela ukuthi
automatically so kunjani nje ukukhahlela ipenalty mawumile nje lapha yana levalo kwenzakalani
ifuna wena uzirelaxele ungajahi ngoba ubhekane no goalkeeper uyiwana abakumakanga.
All right coach too quickly nje mhlambe let's just take ama contact details ukuthi let's assume kunomuntu let's just say kunomuntu othi mina ngingathanda ukuthi ngibe ingcenye ngibe iphatha I'm still young ngifuna ukukhula bangenza kanjani ukuze baxhumane nani ezimusa United?
Ngizobashela ama details wami because wakamusa ngiwazi ngenhloko uma bathole mina bathole uMusa it's 071 560 9564.
Those numbers once again
071 560 9564.
So where to from here celebration kwenzakala ne Brian Nyama sin join or mhlawumbe nisivalela ngaphandle
amani usijoina ngeza
sibe happy kube mnandi kube nje. Congratulations ke iMusa United ke Mtazkai they won i-tournament ke as ama seniors so we're looking forward to good next year 2022 see Lokshin FM see Local TV will be here broadcasting live sithatha sibeka and we hoping ukuthi bazoyidefenda ke about 2 next year le tournament le mhlambe ke nangama Easter God willingly uNkulunkulu uzosisiza ukuthi kube mnandi kube nje uzungakhohlwa ke Mtazkai to get in touch with us ku 064 4103387. We are not what we are but we are what God makes us to be what we are. Inspiration without perspiration it's desperation that might lead to expiration. Be like a bee to be what you want to be. Lokshin FM, your future, your station.
Well, all across the city of Ekurhuleni, Kabalame Hunhlanhla wakabahlobo. This is Lokshin FM, your future, your station. Sila eSomhlolo ground. After i-final ke esibone ehambe kahle kakhulu. Sida uphathi ke la owe team ewinile namhlanje ethathe i-trophy ke sifuna ukwazi mhlawumbe sizwe ukuthi ungabe bazizwa njani namhlanje bayi i-club ethathe indebe enhle kangaka enkulu kangaka ubaba uMusa ke lo wakadlahla ke babuya kuyo i-team le konje bathi yini team bathi iMusa United ke engaphansi kwakhe ubaba uMusa wakadlahla ke sithi mhlambe asimuzwe ukuthi ngabe uzizwa njani namhlanje njoba namhlanje kuyibona abathathe umncintiswano sikubingelele sikwamukele baba uMusa Dladla mhlawumbe nje quickly ungasichazela kabanzi ukuthi iMusa United iform wenini ngabe iparticipate kwesingakhi kule tournament ngabe nizizwa njani njengoba nithathe lo mncintiswano?
Okay ngiyabonga mfethu man before ngichubeka ngicela ukubonga kuwo wonke umuntu okhona namhlanje from kuma organizer we tournament ngiphinde ngihalisela abafana bami abawinile badlalile abengekho easy ukuthi sifike la sifike khona nama supporters singawakhohlwa silana because of them sijabule kakhulu nje ukuthi basisupportile until egcineni. Okay iMusa United iqala kudala futhi bengekho easy siqale kudala from 2012 sizibiza ngelinye igama kanti kuzodevelopa le Musa United you understand so nakhona nje njengoba nibona abafana abancane iqala from good development ubelivela kuyo sabakhulile I mean at the age of 10 12 years siloku sikhula nabo manje bana 21 22 omdala kule team lelo una 22 years so asinto ukuthi manje into yamanje maricala ekudala baloku bakhula nayo lento le just nje we patient ngokuthanda ibhola that's why usibona siso ama results awayaphuma.
Okay, sibonge mlaleli. Just nje kancane mhlawumbe before sihlukana noBaba Musa, mhlawumbe ke Baba Musa ake usichazele kabanzi ukuthi ungabe iMusa United ukusuka la ukuya phambili yini mhlawumbe enihlosile ukuze nithuthukise mhlawumbe ikusasa lalabafana elishoyo ukuthi omncane odlalela le club yakho iMusa United una 22 mhlawumbe yini injongo yenu mhlawumbe yini enifisela labantwana mhlawumbe nizibona nikuphi in 5 years time?
Obviously it remains ukuthi ama players lawa adlalayo asithole sakwamanye ama team amakhulu even na iMusa United jona itself sikhona ukuthi sifikele enyele njengabanye ama teams compete ku PSL yiyo inhloso yethu that's why sicala from good development siza nayo kanjalo understand so sibekezele kakhulu and we still gonna fight and with the boys baloku bakhula nayo iMusa United you'll be surprised I'm counting 3-4 years abafana bazobe others nizobabona abanye bazokhula we going far we got focus asinto manje njobe ngishilo ukuthi asinto manje into esicale just khana manje ama result aphuma manje omunye umuntu angayibukela manje ukuthi hayi no bafana badlala mara comes back from back siloku sincenga until baze bahlangana abafana so basizimisele ukuchubeka sisithole sikunye higher level sicompete nama team amakhulu wala South Africa.
Yeah, all right mlaleli njoba sisesenayo Baba Musa sibonge kakhulu manje sibonga kakhulu Baba Musa uma uthi ubongana kakhulu nabalandeli ebebahamba basupporta iMusa United akucontinue kube njalo balibele bayisupporta iMusa United bakhuthaze abafana ukuthi sibone future yabo kusasa igqama ngendlela enhle emangalisayo. Just quickly nje Baba Musa uma sesiyivala sithi ithini message yakho kubalandeli ithini message yakho across ekuruleni across Katlonga across iKatoras ukuthi nje ubakhuthaza ukuthi unyaka namhlanje siyawuvala siyoqala unyaka omusha uthini uBaba Musa as a director or as a chairperson of iMusa United towards abalandeli abalandeli ama players na wonke umuntu osimamele?
Yes, kuma supporters lawa I believe kithi from day one bacela ukuthi bayibambe kanjalo sisazoqhubeka unyaka onozayo 2022 njengoba sibambe kanje sisazoqhubeka kulabafana futhi nabo kakhulu bayibambe kanjalo because of without them ibhola elihle libedlalwa lana esilibona la kulabafana nabo bayibambe kanjalo yinde lendlela lena nama supporters othi sihamba nawo ngisha everyone la ekuruleni to everyone were involved in this tournament ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu everyone even nani siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibe khona nisichase la nisichasa khona nibe nathi you understand so na next year izinto ezifana lezi masivela akube kanje.
All right, no sibonga kakhulu Baba Musa wakadladla chairperson of iMusa United sibonga kakhulu kumkapteni congratulations boy uyibambe ungayiyeki lento le there's future in this thing ngumdlali webhola ke nami ngibuya kuyo le tournament bayangaza bangaziyo quickly Baba Musa ikuphi celebration?
Oh no
isemhlungu ekhaya uyothandazela so are we invited?
No, you can come. Everyone, even my supporters.
Oh, all right. Yeah. No, yeah. Usuzwile ke mlaleli ukuthi Musa United will be having a celebration party khona lapha ekhaya eMhlungu. Just nje you can pass by uthole lokho okutholayo mangabe kukhona ucelebrate nabafana sibonge siyanibongisa. Thank you very much. Lokshin FM, your future, your station. Thank you very much.